friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the Uttarakhand Judiciary का Civil Judge Junior Division का pre का 2013 का paper. So friends, if you are new on this channel, I would like to recommend कि आप जो है इस channel को जल्दी से subscribe कर लीजिए because it will be very beneficial for you in your preparation for judiciary and other legal exams. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. And if you like this video, just click the like button over there and appreciate this with your friends so that they can come to know about this channel as well. And अगर आपको हमारे efforts अच्छे लगे हों तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. चलिए बढ़ते हैं हम क्वेश्चन पेपर की ओर। देखिए मेरे पास ये ए सीरीज का पेपर है, कुछ इस तरीके से आता है। यहाँ आपको रोल नंबर लिखना होता है। 200 क्वेश्चन है, पार्ट 1 में 50 हैं और पार्ट 2 में 150 हैं। इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग है एंड 1/4 आपका डिडक्शन हो जाएगा अगर गलत आंसर हुआ तो। चलिए पहले करते हैं पार्ट 1 जीके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? इट इज प्लानिंग कमीशन, सी इज द आंसर। इलेक्शन कमीशन कितने में है? 324 में। फाइनेंस कमीशन है 280 में एंड पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन है 315 में। ऑलराइट, सो सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 2, by which constitutional amendment the number of ministers have been limited to 15% of the total number of members of the lower house? ये थी 91st Amendment Act. A is the answer. प्रोविजन कौन सा आया था इससे? आर्टिकल 75(1)(a). A is the answer. Next question number 3. Point out the mismatched pair power of Parliament to legislate on a matter of state list in the national interest. 249. Yes, this is correct. ये ठीक है। Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to any matter in the state list. The proclamation of emergency is in operation. 250 is also correct. देखिए पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लेजिस्लेट 2 और मोर स्टेट बाय कंसेंट, ये जो है ये दिया गया है आर्टिकल 252 में। एंड व्हाट इज इन 251? 251 इज अबाउट इनकंसिस्टेंसी बिटवीन लॉज मेड बाय पार्लियामेंट और एंड स्टेट। तो पार्लियामेंट लॉ विल प्रिवेल। एंड डी इज लेजिस्लेशन फॉर गिविंग इफेक्ट टू इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट। 253, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। तो सी वुड बी द आंसर। Next question number 4. Which one of the following is not an essential element of state in international law? Armed forces is not an essential. So B is the answer. Next question number 5. The name of the first woman judge of International Court of Justice? Rosalind Higgins. A is the answer. Next is 6. Point out the mismatched pair. चिरंजीत लाल 14 पे था, दिनेश त्रिवेदी 19 पे, सुनील बत्रा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन 21 पे, भीम सिंह स्टेट ऑफ JNK. दिस इज मिसमैच्ड, नॉट करेक्ट. इट वाज ऑन आर्टिकल 20 in 21. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 7. रीड द फॉलोइंग केयरफुली. स्टेटमेंट दी हुई है, रिकॉग्निशन इज अ प्रोसेस थ्रू विच अ पॉलिटिकल कम्युनिटी रिक्वायर्स इंटरनेशनल पर्सनैलिटी बाय बिकमिंग अ मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली ऑफ नेशन. यस, इट इज करेक्ट. Hegel, Ancelotti, Oppenheim are chief exponents of constructive theory of recognition. This is also correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. C is the answer. Next is question number 8. Who said inclusion of any matter in the agenda of General Assembly? Discussion on it. Its study or passing of general resolution would not amount to intervention. ये कहा था प्रोफेसर क्विंसी राइट ने. B is the answer. Next question number 9. A member of Parliament of India or member of Legislative Assembly of a state cannot be arrested in civil action within a period of 40 days. A is the answer. Before or after the session. It is mentioned parliamentary privileges and immunities. And CPC में कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? CPC में प्रोवाइड किया गया सेक्शन 135A में. Next is question number 10. Zonal Council in India is advisory body. C is the answer. Next is 11. In which among the following state in India legislative council does not exist? बिहार में है, महाराष्ट्र में, कर्नाटका में, राजस्थान में नहीं है. C is the answer. Next is question number 12. Whom among the following is not a legal person? President of India is not a legal person. C is the answer. Next is 13. The headquarters of World Food and Agriculture Organization is at Rome. A is the answer. इसके अब हेड कौन है स्टैम्प पर? यहाँ होते हैं DG, डायरेक्टर जनरल. दैट इज Q Dongyu. Next is 14. The readjustment of current length of the Lok Sabha and state assemblies in India has been freezed up to 2026. A is the answer, and it is mentioned in Article 82 में. Next question 15. The father of local self-government in India is Lord Ripon. D is the answer. Next is 16. Who is known as the father of international law? Hugo Grotius. A is the answer. Next is 17. Voltaire was a French writer and philosopher. C is the answer. Next is 18. The year of the Hague Convention for Pacific Settlement of International Dispute is 1907. D is the answer. Next question number 19. The tenure of every panchayat in India is 5 years. From the date appointed for its first meeting, A is the answer. Next is 20. The World Conference on Human Rights Peace 2013 was held in Pakistan. At that time it was held in Pakistan. देखिए 2022 की रिसेंटली हुई थी लंदन यूके इन कैम्ब्रिज इफ वांट टू बी स्पेसिफिक, और 2023 की होनी है न्यू दिल्ली इंडिया में. Next is 21. Setu Samudram Ship Channel project is approved by the government of India. So C is the answer. Next is 22. In which case Supreme Court observed that CBI is a caged parrot? This is Colgate scam case. D is the answer. Next is 23. The world chairman of International Human Rights Commission उस टाइम पर डॉक्टर मोहम्मद सलीम. आज के टाइम पर कौन है चेयरमैन ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन? उनको बोलते हैं सेक्रेटरी जनरल भी बोलते हैं. तो ही इज़ रफेल मार्चिन. Vasik, he is from Poland. Okay. And UN ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन के हेड कौन है? होते हैं प्रेसिडेंट. एट द मोमेंट इज वैक्लाव बेलिक. ओके. एंड यूएन ह्यूमन राइट काउंसिल का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? जिनेवा में, स्विट्जरलैंड. Next is 24. National Green Tribunal Act was passed in year 2010. B is the answer. Next is 25. Under which article United Nations Charter Security Council has power to use the force against the state? Article 42. D is the answer. Next is 26. Where is the World Trade Center in India? It is in Noida. A is the answer. Next is 27. Justice Dalbir Bhandari is the judge in the International Court of Justice, and his current tenure is from 2018 to 27. Next is 28. Which of the following declaration deals exclusively with the peaceful settlement of international disputes? It is Manila Declaration, Paris Declaration about Maritime Law, UN Declaration 43 की नहीं है, 42 की है. 1 जनवरी 1942 को डिक्लेरेशन हुई थी. Moscow Declaration 1943 is about to free Austria after World War II. Next is 29. Which of the following method of settlement of international dispute has been expressly recognized in the Constitution of India? It is arbitration, mentioned in Article 51, Clause D, DPSP में. Next is 30. Statement: right to vote in an election is a fundamental right of every person in India. Right? No, it is not correct. It's only a legal right. To contest in election is fundamental right. No, it is also not correct. Both are wrong. D is the answer. Next is 31. Which of the following cases is related to Right to Information Act 2005? Namit Sharma versus Union of India. Next is 32. Balaji Raghavan Union of India is related with which of the following article? Article 18. C is the answer. It was asked in 2016. Next is 33. Article 239A(b) of the Constitution provides for a power of administrator to promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature. No, it is provided in 239B. B है power of the president to make regulation for certain duties. It is mentioned in 240. बचा क्या? C is the answer. Provision in case of failure constitutional machinery of NCT. Next is 34. Article 371E deals with establishment of central university in Andhra Pradesh. A is the answer. अब latest कौन सा 371J स्पेशल प्रोविजन फॉर कर्नाटका कौन सी अमेंडमेंट से आया था? ये आया था 98th अमेंडमेंट एक्ट से विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1/10/2013. Next is 35. Meza Kotwa Lele versus Union of India is related with sexual harassment of women at workplace. B is the answer. Next is 36. International law may be defined as a body of law which is composed for its greater part of the principle and rules of conduct which the state feel themselves bound to observe. इतनी लंबी स्टेटमेंट दी है ओपनहाइम ने. C is the answer. Next 37. Which of the following cases associated with the issue of domicile in the state consent for getting elected to the Council of State? Kuldeep Nair versus Union of India. B is the answer. Next 38. In which article constitution provision has been made for finance commission? वो है 280 में. 366 में है definitions. 12 में है goods की definition. 12A में क्या है? GST came from 101st Amendment Act. 265 में क्या है? Taxes to be imposed only with the authority of law. Next is 39. Observations हैं. Parliament has passed the National Food Security Act 2013. The Supreme Court has held that it is duty of the state to provide food to every needy. Both are correct. C is the answer. Next is 40. Full faith and credit shall be given throughout the territory of India to public acts, record, judicial proceedings of the Union and of every state. It is provided under article of the Constitution. It is mentioned in Article 261. A is the answer. 260 में क्या है? Jurisdiction or the Union relation to territories outside India. Next is 41. Which one of the following cases is not related with 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution? Kathi running versus State of Saurashtra. D is the answer. Next is 42. Under Article 338A, there shall be a commission known as National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. C is the answer. अभी इसके हेड कौन है? श्री हर्ष चौहान. ठीक है. देखिए 338 में क्या है? दैट इज नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट और इनके जो चेयरमैन कौन है? अभी विजय सांपला जी. ओके. अभी नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन है जो उसके अभी चेयरमैन कौन है? राइट टाइम एट द मोमेंट अभी चेयरमैन कौन है? रेखा शर्मा. एंड अभी एक कमीशन और है एंड नेशनल कमीशन फॉर माइनॉरिटीज़ इसके हेड कौन है? चेयरमैन कौन है? इकबाल सिंह. अभी लेकिन सेकंड अभी देखिए 102nd अमेंडमेंट से 338B भी ऐड कर दिया गया है, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस. अब उसके चेयरमैन कौन है? उसके चेयरमैन हैं अभी हंसराज गंगा राम जी. नेक्स्ट इज 43. Next is 43. Article 15(5) was declared as the basic structure of the Indian Constitution in which of the following case by the Supreme Court? That was Indian Medical Association versus Union of India. B is the answer. Next is 44. Who was awarded Bharat Ratna in 2013? No one. D is the answer. Next is 45. Untouchability in any form has been abolished by which of the following articles of the Constitution of India? It is Article 17. Article 14 में right to equality है. 16 में right to equality in employment and prohibition against discrimination 15 में है. Next is 46. Again statement. Supreme Court in February 2012, the famous 2G spectrum case quashed the 2G spectrum allotment and directed for public auction. Article 39B of the Constitution provides that ownership and control of material resources of the community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good. तो assertion का जो reason है that is correct. A is the answer. Next is 47. Who can seek advisory opinion from International Court of Justice according to UN Charter? Security Council, जनरल असेंबली, अदर ऑर्गन्स, स्पेशल एजेंसी ऑफ यूएन, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। एंड ये कहाँ पर दिया गया है? ये दिया गया है आपके आर्टिकल 96 ऑफ यूएन चार्टर में। नेक्स्ट इज 48, हु कैन एक्सपेल स्टेट फॉर मेंबरशिप ऑफ यूएन? जनरल असेंबली ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल, डी इज द आंसर। कहाँ पर मेंशन है? आर्टिकल 6 ऑफ यूएन चार्टर अगेन। Next is 49. Which article of United Nations Charter empower the Security Council to implement judgment of the International Court of Justice? It is Article 94. C is the answer. Next is 50. Which of the following case is related to prize courts? Is it Zamora case? SS Lotus case was about Permanent Court of International Justice. Re Castioni, it was a case on extradition. तो फ्रेंड्स ये था पार्ट 1। अब नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट होता है पार्ट 2, लॉ, 150 क्वेश्चंस। स्टार्ट्स विद हिंदू लॉ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, एलिमनी अंडर 25 कैन बी ऑर्डर्ड बाय सिविल कोर्ट, कोर्ट एक्सरसाइजिंग जुडिक्शन अंडर हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट, बोथ ए एंड बी। इसका आंसर रहेगा कोर्ट एक्सरसाइजिंग जुडिक्शन अंडर हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट, बी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 52, ए फादर कर्ता can alienate a part of joint family property out of love and affection to daughter, son, wife, all of the above, D is the answer। देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा हो ना, ए पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, पार्ट ऑफ जॉइंट फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी, पूरी नहीं कर सकता। नेक्स्ट इज 53, by 2005 amendment of Hindu Succession Act, a son is liable to pay which of the following? Untainted debt of father, tainted debt of father, untainted debt procured by father before the amendment of the act. Now there is no liability of son after 2005 amendment, लेकिन जो पहले के debts हैं he has to pay untainted वाले। What is untainted? Which is not immoral, not immoral मतलब moral debts होने चाहिए। Next is 54, in the absence of class 1 higher, who can inherit the property of Hindu male? Father can inherit because father is class 2 higher। एंड जनरल रूल ऑफ सक्सेशन कहाँ पर दिया हुआ है? वो दिया हुआ सेक्शन 8 में। एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अमंग क्लास 2 कहाँ दिया हुआ है? सेक्शन 11 में। नेक्स्ट 55, इन केस ऑफ डिजर्शन द वाइफ हैज टू प्रूव विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्ट, द हस्बैंड हैज अबैंडन्ड हर, दैट ही हैज डन सो विदाउट रीजनेबल कॉज एंड अगेंस्ट हर विश एंड विदाउट हर कंसेंट, that he was willfully neglect her, all of the above, D is the answer। Next is 56, which of the following is not a ground of divorce under special marriage act? अब देखिए यहाँ पर स्पेशल मैरिज पूछ लिया है, that is conversion, it is provided in section 27। कोई आपने स्पेशल मैरिज की है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि दो जो हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ हैं, दे आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट रिलीजन, दे आर नॉट हिंदू, हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू देम, nor from Muslim law, because Muslim, if they are both Muslims, though Muslim law will be applicable on them. So conversion doesn't matter over there। यहाँ स्टार्ट हो गया मुस्लिम लॉ। क्वेश्चन 57, अंडर मुस्लिम लॉ द फॉलोइंग आर गार्जियन फॉर मैरिज ऑफ ए माइनर, फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, स्टेट, ऐसे आएगा। तो पहले आएगा फादर, ब्रदर, फिर मदर, फिर स्टेट। तो 1 4 2 3, C is the answer। Next is 58, मुता मैरिज कम्स टू एंड बाय हिबाय मुद्दत, बी इज द आंसर। एंड ये हमने 2015 वाले में भी जो है डिस्कस किया था। नेक्स्ट इज 59, मुस्लिम वुमेन नीड टू ऑब्जर्व इद्दत इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? मुता मैरिज, इरेगुलर मैरिज, वैलिड मैरिज, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। इद्दत पीरियड इज नेसेसरी टू बी ऑब्जर्व्ड आफ्टर डिवोर्स और डेथ ऑफ हस्बैंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 60, डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ मुस्लिम मैरिज एक्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल of which school of Muslim law? Maliki school, C is the answer। Next is 61, अब देखिए खिलावत और साहिदा, it is not खिलावत और, it is खिलावत और सहीना, connotes a valid retirement about what? From marital obligations। When husband and wife are come to an age that they are not interested with anybody with regarding to marriage and they devoted themselves towards the religion, so it is called as khilawat ur sahina। Next is 62, a dower debt is an actionable claim, B is the answer, and it is also an unsecured debt। This question was asked in 2016। unsecured debt वाला. Next is 63. Which of the following is the legal consequence of divorce under Muslim law? Parties acquire the right to contract another marriage. Cohabitation become unlawful. Mutual right of inheritance ceases. All of the above. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? All of the above. D is the answer because वो दूसरी शादी कर सकते हैं. कोहेबिटेशन का अनलॉफुल हो जाएगा. इनहेरिटेंस सीज हो जाएगी. सिर्फ राइट टू मेंटेनेंस रहता है, वो भी अप टू अ सर्टेन लेवल. Alright, next is 64. When a Muslim mother loses her right of hizanat, custody, by her apostasy, misconduct, marrying within prohibited degree relationship, all of the above. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? All of the above. Next is 65. Among Muslims, which school does not mention minimum amount of dower? Shafi'i. C is the answer. Next is 66. Who is the natural guardian of Muslim female child? Obviously father. A is the answer. Next is 67. Implied and contingent talaq is not approved by Shia. B is the answer. Next is 68. A Muslim woman can seek divorce if the husband is not traceable for a period of 4 years. Section 2, Clause 1 of Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act provides for the same. Next is 69. Under Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, the option to be governed by the provision of Section 125 CRPC may be given by the parties either jointly or separately. A is the answer. And this is mentioned in Section 5 of Muslim Women Protection of Right on Divorce Act. Next is 70. A Muslim divorced woman can apply directly to the Waqf board when there is no relative to support her. This was held in which case? Secretary Tamil Nadu Waqf Board versus Sayyid Fatima Nachi. C is the answer. Next is 71. M, the mother of Muslim minor daughter, contracted her in marriage the lifetime of the father who had become an apostate. The marriage is void. Next is 72. A marriage of a Mohammedan who is sound of mind and has attained puberty is brought about without his consent. The marriage will be irregular. B is the answer. तो यहाँ मुस्लिम लॉ खत्म होता है, यहाँ स्टार्ट होता है TPA. क्वेश्चन नंबर 73. रूल अगेंस्ट परपेचुटी डू नॉट अप्लाई विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? Moral property, charities, immoral property. Yes, D, all of the above. Next is 74. Provision as to exchange of money has been provided under which section? 121. 118 में क्या है? Exchange की definition. 119 में क्या है? Right of party. Right है किसका? एक party का. Who is deprived some things in exchange. Alright. Next is 75. Person competent to transfer property have been defined under section 7. B is the answer. 6 में क्या है? What may be transfer. Section 8 क्या है? Operation of transfer. 9 क्या है? Oral transfer. Next is 76. Under which of the following section of TP Act English mortgage has been defined? देखिए A में क्या है? Mortgage की definition. B में क्या है? Simple mortgage. सी में क्या है? कंडीशनल सेल वाली मॉर्टगेज. डी में क्या है? यूसुफ्रक्चुरी. तो डी आ गया यूसुफ्रक्चुरी है. ई का आ गया इंग्लिश. ई फॉर इंग्लिश मॉर्टगेज. एफ क्या है? मॉर्टगेज बाय डिपॉजिट ऑफ टाइटल डीड, और क्या बोलते हैं? इक्विटेबल मॉर्टगेज. ऑलराइट. और 58 जी क्या रह गया? एनॉमलस. नेक्स्ट इज 77. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ सेक्शन डील्स विद लीज? तो 105 से 117. डी इज द आंसर. देखिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया आईपीसी. क्वेश्चन 78. इन विच द फॉलोइंग केस लॉर्ड समनर सेड दे आल्सो सर्व हु स्टैंड एंड वेट? इट वाज वीरेंद्र कुमार घोष वर्सेस एम्परर. सी इज द आंसर. इट इज ऑन सेक्शन 34 कॉमन इंटेंशन. Next is 79. Local law mentioned in 42 means a law applicable to a particular part of India. B is the answer. Next question number 80. Good faith within the meaning of IPC means an act done with due care and attention. A is the answer. It is mentioned in section 52. Next is 81. Who prepared the first draft of IPC? Lord Macaulay. First Law Commission. Next is 82. In which the following sections IPC preparation is punishable? 122 में, 126 and 399 में, 122, 126, 399. C is the answer. Same was asked in 2016. Next is 83. McNaughton case is related to which of the following section? Section 84, unsoundness of mind. 83 में क्या है? Dolly Capax, child from 7 to 12 years. 85 में क्या आ गया? Incapable due to intoxication. 86 में क्या है? Offense required particular knowledge on intoxication. Next is 84. Which of the following case is known as Nasik conspiracy case? ये था विनायक दामोदर सावरकर केस. A is the answer. Next is 85. Which of the following is not correctly matched under IPC? Furnishing false information 177, yes. Giving false evidence 91, yes. Causing disappearance of evidence on offense, no. This is mentioned in section 201. 205 में क्या है? False personation for purpose of act. Counterfeit count 241, yes. So C is the answer. Next is 86. Which one of the following set of section IPC provides for right of private defense? From 96 to 106. D is the answer. Next is 87. A having joint property with Z in a horse, intending thereby to cause wrongful loss to Z, shoots the horse. Under what section of IPC A shall be charged? अब देखिए यहाँ पर पूछ रहे हैं पनिशमेंट वाला सेक्शन कौन सा होगा, तो पनिशमेंट वाला होगा 429. अदरवाइज दिस इज मिसचीफ mentioned in section 425 and this is illustration G. And 26 में क्या है? Punishment for mischief. Okay, and this next is 88. To which one of the following section Hicklin rule is related to? देखिए Hicklin rule क्या है? On decency and morality. तो जहाँ पर भी decency morality की बात है, मतलब क्या कि कोई obscene act हुआ है, that is section 292. A is the answer. 21 में क्या है? Continuation of nuisance. 290 में क्या है? Punishment for public nuisance. And 294 में क्या है? Obscenity, obscene acts, obscene songs. Next is 89. A fire on a crowd for no reason. As a result, B dies. What offense he committed? Murder. Illustration A of section 300. Next is 90. Which one of the following is essential element of offense of grievous hurt? Emasculation, privation of any members or joint, permanent disfiguration of head or face. D, all of the above. Mentioned in section 320, where grievous hurt is defined. Next is question number 91. A voluntarily throws into a river a ring belonging to Z with intention to cause loss to Z. A has committed mischief. Defined in section 425. Cheating कहाँ पर है? 415 में. Robbery 390. Theft 378. And ये है illustration C of 425. Next question 92. What should be the age of minor to constitute offense of kidnapping? In case male 16 years, in case of female 18 years. C is the answer. ये कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? ये प्रोवाइड किया गया है section 361 में. Next is 93. Which one of the following is a case decided by federal court on section 124 A IPC? ये है Niharendu Dutt versus Emperor. B is the answer. Next is 94. To which of the following offense the apex court judgment in Abhinand Mishra state of Bihar is related to? 420 and 511 attempt पे ये famous case है, celebrated case है ये attempt का. So A is the answer. Next is 95. Under which of the following section IPC rash and negligent driving of vehicle on public way is offense? 279. 278 में क्या है? Making atmosphere noxious to health. Atmosphere को खराब कर रहे हैं अगर आप, noxious कर दिया. 273 क्या है? Sale of noxious food or drink. 280 में क्या है? Rash negligent navigation of vessel. Next is 96. Unlawful assembly is defined in 141. यहाँ पर नहीं है तो none of the above इसका आंसर रहेगा. 149 में क्या है? Common object. 34 में क्या है? Common intention. 146 क्या है? Riots. Next is 97. Section 153AA has been inserted in IPC by which of the following Criminal Amendment Act? ये आया था Amendment Act of 2005. C is the answer. 153 AA में क्या लिखा हुआ है? अनलॉफुल असेंबली, कैरिंग आर्म्स और टेक पार्ट इन मास ड्रिल और मास ट्रेनिंग with arms. All right. Next, 98. X, along with 4 other armed hoodlums, seized the child of Y and threatened to kill him unless Y parts with his watch and diamond ring. X committed the offense of dacoity. Next, question number 99. In which one of the following case section 303 was declared unconstitutional? Meet versus State of Punjab. A is the answer. Next, question number 100. A mixed sugar in B's food knowing it to be arsenic. B did not take the food. What offense A has committed? He has committed no offense since his preparation is not fulfilled, because there are stages of crime: intention, preparation, attempt, commission. ठीक है, तो प्रिपरेशन की स्टेजेस की पूरी नहीं हुई, ठीक है, तो नो ऑफेंस. नेक्स्ट 101. The offense of 361 is basically against lawful guardian. क्या है ये? किडनैपिंग. नेक्स्ट 102. A has consensual sexual relationship with Z's wife. She gives A valuable property which A knows belong to her husband Z. She has no authority from Z to give. A takes the property dishonestly. Which one of the following offences has been committed by A? Theft. It is mentioned in section 378. Illustration O. अब यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है CRPC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 103. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? इंक्वायरी 2G में है, जुडिशियल कस्टडी 2I में है, पुलिस स्टेशन 2S में. 2O में क्या है? ऑफिसर इंचार्ज. प्लीडर 2Q में है, तो इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? C. नेक्स्ट 104. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कंपाउंडेबल नॉन कंपाउंडेबल ऑफेंस प्रोवाइडेड अंडर सेक्शन 320. C is the answer. नेक्स्ट 105. सेक्शन 25A इंसर्टेड इन CRPC बाय CRPC अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2005. बी इज द आंसर. और इसमें क्या आया था? डायरेक्टोरेट ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट 106. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट आंसर? प्रोविजन ऑफ CRPC डू नॉट अप्लाई टू स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू कश्मीर. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. नाउ all provision of CRPC do not apply to state of Nagaland. This is also not correct. Earlier this was correct, but now after 2019 Reorganization Act of Jammu and Kashmir, जम्मू कश्मीर रिओर्गनाइजेशन एक्ट के बाद जो है, जब जम्मू कश्मीर स्टेट जो है रिपील कर दिया गया, उसके बाद जो है ऑल लॉज आर अप्लीकेबल इन JNK. नाउ बोथ आर इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. इंक्वायरी कंडक्टेड बाय मजिस्ट्रेट और कोर्ट. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 108. द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ क्रिमिनल कोर्ट. नॉट अ क्रिमिनल कोर्ट पूछा हुआ है, तो चिल्ड्रन कोर्ट, जुवेनाइल कोर्ट, पंचायती अदालत. तो ए इसमें ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ द अबव 2 and 3. तो इसका आंसर रहेगा डी. ये दोनों क्रिमिनल कोर्ट नहीं है, 2 and 3 बोथ. डी इज द आंसर. क्लासेस ऑफ क्रिमिनल कोर्ट कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? सेक्शन 6 में. तो वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. वहाँ पर फोर्थ कोर्ट कौन सा है? एग्जीक्यूटिव मैजिस्ट्रेट. नेक्स्ट 109. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग section of CRPC provides that person once convicted or acquitted shall not be tried again? सेक्शन 301. मैक्सिम कौन सी आती है इसमें? ऑट्रोफोइस एक्विट एंड ऑट्रोफोइस कॉन्विक्ट. नेक्स्ट 110. whom the following may withdraw prosecution of any person at time before the judgment is pronounced? Public prosecutor. B is the answer. Provision in section 321 CRPC. Next is 111. Which one of the following section CRPC provides free legal aid? Is in section 304. 306 में क्या है? टेंडर पार्डन टू अकम्प्लिस. 301 में क्या है? अपीयरेंस बाय PP पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. 302 में क्या है? परमिशन टू प्रोसिक्यूशन. नेक्स्ट 112. अंडर CRPC विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्टली मैच पूछा है. देखिए, प्रोसीजर वेयर जजेस ऑफ कोर्ट ऑफ अपील आर इक्वली डिवाइडेड. तो ये 392 में ही दिया गया, करेक्टली पूछा. एक ही इसमें हुआ, तो पहला ऑप्शन ए इसका करेक्ट रहेगा. अब फिनैलिटी ऑफ जजमेंट एंड ऑर्डर ऑन अपील ये कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 393 में. रेफरेंस टू हाई कोर्ट आ गया 395 में. अरेस्ट ऑफ एक्यूज इन अपील फ्रॉम एक्विटल 390 में. 394 में क्या है? अबेटमेंट ऑफ अपील, कब अपील अबेट हो जाएगी. 396 में क्या है? डिस्पोजल ऑफ केस अकॉर्डिंग टू डिसीजन ऑफ हाई कोर्ट. 391 में क्या है? appellate court may take further evidence. Next is 113. An accused may apply for plea bargaining where he has committed an offense for which the punishment extends for imprisonment exceeding 7 years, which affects socio-economic condition of country, an offense against women. ठीक है, तो इन तीनों केसेस में जो है नहीं कर पाएगा, क्या कर सकता है, एन ऑफेंस ऑफ थेफ्ट में. ठीक है, डी इज द आंसर. एंड प्ली बार्गेनिंग कहाँ पर मेंशन की गई है? चैप्टर है 21A, सेक्शन है 265A टू 265L. नेक्स्ट इज 114. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ सेक्शन ऑफ सीआरपीसी डील्स विद प्रोक्लेमेशन एंड अटैचमेंट? तो ये है 82, 86. बी इज द आंसर. Next is 115. Which of the following section of CRPC provides as a security for good behavior habitual offender? सेक्शन 110 में है EM लेता है up to 3 years. 109 में क्या है? सस्पेक्टेड पर्सन से. 108 में क्या है? seditious matters में. इनमें भी EM लेगा पर इनमें क्या है? 1 year, 1 year के लिए up to 1 year. Next is 116. In which of the following case a wife is not entitled to maintenance if she is living in adultery without sufficient reason to live with the husband, if parties are living separately by mutual consent? All of the above. D is the answer, mentioned in section 125, subsection 4. Next is 117. Victim compensation scheme has been provided under CRPC by CRP Code Amendment 2009. B is the answer. एंड सेक्शन कौन सा है? ये सेक्शन है 357A. एंड ये कब से लागू हुआ था? 31/12/2009. नेक्स्ट इज 118. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ सीआरपीसी प्रोवाइड्स पावर ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट टू कंफर्म सेंटेंस और अनल कन्विक्शन? 368. 366 में क्या है? सबमिशन फॉर कंफर्मेशन. 367 में क्या है? पावर ऑफ हाई कोर्ट टू फर्दर इंक्वायरी. ठीक है. 269 में क्या है? कंफर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस बाय 2 जजेस. कंफर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस बाय 2 जजेस. नेक्स्ट 119. The state government may by notification declare any city or town for the purpose of CRPC as a metropolitan whose population exceeds 10 lakh. So A is the answer, mentioned in section 8 CRPC. Next is 120. Which one of the following section of CRPC provides public to give information of certain offences to police officer? It is section 39. C is the answer. Same question was asked in 2016. Next is 121. Which one of the following section CRPC provides for identification of arrested person? It is mentioned in 54A. B is the answer. 54 में क्या है? Examination of arrested person by medical officer. 55A में है हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ अरेस्टेड पर्सन. एंड 60A क्या है? अरेस्ट स्ट्रिक्टली इन अकॉर्डेंस विद दिस कोड. नेक्स्ट 122. हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मे ऑर्डर फॉर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ वाइफ, चिल्ड्रन, पेरेंट्स? तो जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास. सी इज द आंसर. पावर गिवन इन सेक्शन 125. Next 123. Consider the following statement. Choose the correct answer with the help of the code. Investigation is conducted by police officer. Yes. Magistrate cannot interfere in investigation. Yes. Investigation is judicial proceedings. No. Investigation is not a judicial proceeding. Yes. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? 1, 2 and 4. B is the answer. Next 124. Under CRPC where 2 or more courts have taken cognizance of the same offence, the question arises which of them ought to try that offence. The question shall be decided by if the courts are subordinate to same high court or high court. If the court are not subordinate to same high court, the court within local limits of whose appellate criminal jurisdiction the proceedings were first commenced. 2 and 3 are correct. So answer is B, and this is mentioned in section 186 CRPC. Next is 125. High Court, under its inherent power conferred under section 482, passes the following orders: quash FIR, quash proceeding of case pending before criminal court. It expunges derogatory remark against a member of subordinate court. So all are correct. C is the answer. 1, 2, 3 valid. Next is 126. In which of the following cases it was held that person has a right to protection under 161(2) CRPC against questions, the answer of which would have tendency to a criminal charge? So Nandani Satpathy versus PL Dani. A is the answer. C 127. Under which of the following section CRPC magistrate shall dismiss the complaints? इन सेक्शन 202 में क्या है, पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ इशू ऑफ प्रोसेस, ठीक है। 201 में क्या है, व्हेन मैजिस्ट्रेट इज नॉट कॉम्पिटेंट टू टेक कॉग्निजेंस, ऑलराइट। अब देखिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया सीपीसी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, विच इज द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ सीपीसी डील्स विद इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ सूट, तो ये है सेक्शन 26। 27 में क्या है, समन्स टू डिफेंडेंट। 13 में क्या है, व्हेन फॉरेन जजमेंट नॉट कंक्लूसिव, फॉरेन जजमेंट्स के लिए। 29 में क्या है, सर्विस ऑफ फॉरेन समन्स, कैसे भेजेंगे फॉरेन समन्स। D is the answer. Next is 129. Which one of the following is not a suit of civil nature? Suit relating to right of worship, suit involving purely religious rights, suit for rent, suit for hereditary office. Purely religious rights जो हैं वो suit of civil nature नहीं होता. B is the answer. Next is 130. A residing in Dehradun beats B in Lucknow. B may sue A under CPC. Either in Lucknow or in Dehradun, both. A is the answer. Next 131, section of CPC can be amended by the Parliament. Same question was asked in 2016. Over there I also discussed section 122 provides that High Court has power to make rules, but no provision talks about the amendment of sections. So only Parliament has the power. Next is question number 132. Inherent power of court can be exercised under CPC for end of justice to prevent abuse of process of the court. Section कौन सा है inherent power का, 151 CPC. Next 133. Under CPC the provision before instituting a suit against government is section 80. When it is no section, section 6 में क्या है, pecuniary jurisdiction. Section 21 क्या है, objection as to jurisdiction. Next 134. Under CPC the court may not issue commission in which of the following matters: to examine person, to examine accounts, for execution of decree, to make partition. For execution of a decree के लिए नहीं जाएंगे. And commissions की provision कहाँ पर है, section 75 and order 26. Next is 135. Under CPC, which one of the following is liable to attachment and sale in execution of a decree? अटैचमेंट एंड सेल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ डिक्री कहाँ पर मेंशन है, ये हम मेंशन सेक्शन 60 में। तो क्या कर सकते हैं, विच वन इज लाइबल, लाइबल पूछा है तो प्रोमिसरी नोट्स, बी इज द आंसर। पहने कपड़े मजदूर है उसके टूल्स हैं औजार जो है वो बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स ये आप अटैच नहीं कर सकते, बी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 136. CPC prohibits arrest or detention in civil prison of a woman in execution of a decree for the payment of money. B is the answer. 55 में क्या है, arrest and detention. 57 में क्या है, subsistence allowance. 58 में क्या है, detention and release. आंसर रहेगा B. Next question number 137. Under CPC, a decree may be executed by court which passed it or by the court to which it is sent for execution. D is the answer. Section 38. Next is 138. Does the pendency of a civil suit in a foreign court preclude the court in India from trying a suit founded on the same cause of action? No. B is the answer. Next is 139. Mean profit has been defined in section 212. 214 में क्या है, order. 28 में क्या है, judge. 24 में क्या है, district. C is the answer. Next is 140. Which one of the following section of CPC provides trial in open court where public may have access? तो ये section 153B. B is the answer. 153A में क्या है, power of court to amend when summarily dismissed. एक केस कोई summarily dismiss कर दिया उसकी power 153A में है. 150C and D are no sections. Next is 141. Under which one of the following section of CPC court may ask parties to dispute go for mediation? 89. 88 में क्या है, interpleader suit. 87 क्या है, foreign rulers as party to suit. 86 is no section. B is the answer. Next is 142. By which one of the amendment of CPC scope of summary trial was substantially widened. So it was CPC Amendment Act 1976 is the answer. Earlier it was only for negotiable instruments, but now it is for everything, so it is widened. The scope is widened. Next is question number 143. Under which provision of CPC an ambassador can be sued? It is section 86. A is the answer. 88 में क्या है? Again interpleader suit अभी discuss किया था. 88 is no section. This is not option. A is the answer. Next is 144. Morgan Stanley Mutual Fund versus Kartik Das case related to which of the following? About interim injunction. C is the answer. Next is 145. When a court can reject a plaint where plaintiff fails to comply with Rule 9, barred by law, not in duplicate, all of the above. D is the answer. Order 7, Rule 11, rejection of plaint talks about that. Next is 146. Under CPC, find the incorrect match. Revenue Code 5 में, Provincial Small Code 7 में, pecuniary jurisdiction is in section 6. 9 में क्या है? Suit of civil nature. Alright, so इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? C. Next is 147. Under section 13 of CPC, which of the following judgments shall not be conclusive? Judgment not on merit, breach of in-law, against international law, all of the above. D is the answer. Next is 148. Rule 6 to 10 of Order 39 deals with interlocutory orders. D is the answer. Next is 149. Rule relating to interpreter suit have been provided in Order 35. B is the answer. 50 में क्या है? 50 is for provincial small cause courts. 55 orders are only up to 51. Order 40 is receiver. Next is 150. In which of the following case Sir Lawrence Jenkins has observed that rule of res judicata, while founded on account of precedent, is directed by wisdom which is for all times? It was Shio Parsan Singh versus Ramanand Singh. B is the answer. Next is 151. What is the essence of pleadings? Plead facts not law. A is the answer. Pleadings कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ऑर्डर 6 में. ऑर्डर 6 के रूल 2 में ये लिखा गया है. ऑलराइट, अब देखिए यहाँ स्टार्ट हो गया. इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट. क्वेश्चन 152. बिल ऑफ एविडेंस वाज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय सर जेम्स स्टीफन. सी इज द आंसर. Next 153. Rule of res gestae, which means fact forming part of same transaction, section 6 में है. 7 में क्या है? Opportunity, occasion. Section 8 is PCM, preparation, conduct, motive. 5 में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Evidence may be given for fact in issue and relevant facts. A is the answer. Next is 154. Principle of res judicata is provided in which of the following section? Section 40. B is the answer. Next is 155. Principle which preclude a person from denying some statement previously made by him is known as estoppel. Estoppel is provided in section 115. Next is 156. Which of the following is correctly matched under Indian Evidence Act? अब देखिए आपको पूछा correctly match, highlight कर लेंगे इसको. तो burden of proof is 101. A is the answer. डम विटनेस कितने में है? 119 में. अकम्प्लिस कहाँ पर? 133 में. तो 119 माओ डम विटनेस का लिख दिया. डबल डेट्स कितने में है? ये है 113B में. 122 में क्या है? मैरिटल कम्युनिकेशन. 107 में क्या है? प्रिजम्पशन ऑफ लाइफ. A is the answer. Next is 157. Rule relating to identification of parade. Section 9 provides for the same. A is the answer. Next is 158. Section 74 deals with public document. D is the answer. Next is 159. Under which section of Indian Evidence Act legitimacy of a child born during the lawful wedlock is presumed? 112. A is the answer. Next is 160. Any question suggesting the answer is called as leading question, provided in section 141. And when can be asked? In 143 in cross examination. Next is 161. Not proved means it is neither proved nor disproved. Provided in section 3 interpretations. C is the answer. Next is 162. Proof is the result of evidence. B is the answer. Next is 163. A fact in personal knowledge of judge cannot be taken in evidence. It was held in Har Prasad versus Shivdayal. A is the answer. Next is 164. H says Y told him that A killed B. This is hearsay evidence. C is the answer. Next is 165. An accomplice is a competent witness against an accused. Is provided in which of the following section? 133. D is the answer. Next is 166. Among the following which is not a public document? Not a public document पूछा है यहाँ पर. An unregistered family partition deed. A is the answer. It is a private document. पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट अभी हमने देखा कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है 74 में, और प्राइवेट कहाँ पर है 75 में. Next is 167. Which one of the following is not a privileged communication? Matrimonial yes, professional yes, official yes. Official communication is 124 में है, मैट्रिमोनियल है 122 में, प्रोफेशनल 126, 127 में. Paternal communication is no communication. B is the answer. Next is 158. Which of the following section a witness under examination get the right to refresh his memory? Answer is 159. B is the answer. Next is 169. Under which of the following section of Evidence Act the judge determines the admissibility of a fact mentioned in section 136? C is the answer. Next is 170. The fact sought to be proved is called factum probandum. B is the answer. Next is 171. Affidavit given to the court is not an evidence. Affidavit is not an evidence. A is the answer. यहाँ पर फिनिश एविडेंस एक्ट, यहाँ से हो गया TPA स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 172. Which of the following section of Transfer Property Act provides that mere right to sue cannot be transferred? सेक्शन 6 में है what may be transferred. 5 में ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी की डेफिनेशन है. सेक्शन 7 क्या है? पर्सन कॉम्पिटेंट टू ट्रांसफर. Next is 173. Which of the following are actionable claim? A share in partnership yes, decree no, arrears of rent yes, right to get damage, breach of contract no. So 1 and 3 would be the answer. So D is the answer. Next is 174. The test to divide whether something attached to earth has to be regarded as immovable property or not depends on any one of the following. Degree or mode of annexation yes, place of annexation no, place doesn't matter. The object of annexation भाई क्या अटैच कर रखा है और कितनी डिग्री तक अटैच है वो. So D would be the answer. A and C both. Next is 175. A transfer of property to B in trust for C directs B to give possession of the property to C when he attains the age of 25. This interest is called vested interest. B is the answer. And where is vested interest? Section 19. Next is question number 176. If a property is transferred with the condition that interest created therein for the benefit of transferee shall cease on his becoming insolvent, such a condition is void under which of the following section? TPA. It is section 12, making interest determinable on insolvency. 10 में क्या है? इसमें conditions ही हैं. Condition restraining alienation. 11 में क्या है? Restrictions repugnant to interest created. Restrictions है इसमें भी repugnant to interest created. And 13 में क्या है? Transfer for the benefit of unborn. Next is 177. A gives a field to B reserving to himself B's assent the right to take back the field in case B and his descendants die before A. B dies without descendants in A's lifetime. Can A take back the field? Yes, he can. Alright, A is the answer. Next is 178. Every transfer of immovable property made with intent to delay or defeat the creditors of the transferor shall be voidable at the option of such creditor. A is the answer. Same question was asked in 2015. Next is 179. In the light of provision of TP Act, a minor can transfer property. No, cannot transfer property. ठीक है. Can accept transfer property in his favor. Yes. D is the answer. Both B and C. Next is 180. Redemption is the heart of mortgage was observed by Lord Halsbury. C is the answer. SC 181. In which of the following section TP Act transfer by ostensible owner is provided? It is provided in section 41. B is the answer. 39 में क्या है? 39 में है transfer when third party entitled for maintenance. 40 में क्या है? Burden of obligation on use of land. Burden of obligation on use of land. 42 में क्या है? Transfer by person having authority to revoke former transfer. Alright, B is the answer. Next is 182. In which of the following sections transfer in favor of unborn can be made? ये अभी डिस्कस किया हमने सेक्शन 13. A is the answer. अभी 12 भी डिस्कस किया है. कंडीशन इन मेकिंग इंटरेस्ट डिटर्मिनेबल ऑन इंसॉल्वेंसी. 14 अगेन रूल अगेंस्ट परपेचुटी. 15 में क्या है? ट्रांसफर टू क्लास सम ऑफ होम अंडर सेक्शन to class of whom 13 and 14. All right. Next is 183. Which one of the following section of TP Act provides that when there is a conflict between marshalling and contribution, marshalling shall prevail? It is section 82. C is the answer. 82 में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Contribution to mortgage debt. 81 में क्या है? Marshalling securities. 80 is deleted. 83 क्या है? Power to deposit money in court. Next is 184. Muhammad Afzal versus Ghulam Qasim is leading case on which of the following? It is on doctrine of election. C is the answer. Election कहाँ पर है? 35 में. Next is 185. In case of transfer property for the benefit of the public, which of the following restrictions shall not apply? Perpetuity apply नहीं होगी. Transfer to take effect on failure of prior interest apply नहीं होगा. Direction of accumulation apply नहीं होगा. तो all of the above. D is the answer. Next 186. अब पूछा है not correctly matched. Universal dominant 28 yes. Kind of part performance 53. Marshalling by subsequent purchaser 65. ये है 56 में. 65 में क्या है? Implied contracts by mortgager. और mortgage right of foreclosure sale 67 में है. तो इसमें आंसर क्या हो? गलत कौन सा है? C. Only C. C is the answer. Next 187. The following reading case are related to which of the following subjects? Gopal, Purushottam, Stanley वाडिये हैं. Mortgage से related, so C is the answer. अब यहाँ से फिर से आ गया हिंदू लॉ. Under Constitution of India, all aspects of family law are provided in concurrent list. 2016 में पूछा गया था. C is the answer. Next is 189. A marriage under Hindu law between Pindas parties shall be valid if the custom usage of governing each of them permits. A is the answer. ये कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 5 ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट के क्लॉज 5 में. नेक्स्ट 190. Adultery is ground for judicial separation, divorce, both. C is the answer. Next 191. A Hindu wife can adopt a boy and a girl simultaneously with the consent of husband. B is the answer. Capacity of female Hindu to take in adoption. ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? ये है सेक्शन 8 में ऑफ हिंदू एडॉप्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस एक्ट. नेक्स्ट 192. डिस्पोजल ऑफ ह्यूमन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ माइनर बाय नेचुरल गार्जियन इज वैलिड. अगर डिफेक्टो होता तो नॉट वैलिड अंडर सेक्शन 11 ऑफ हिंदू माइनॉरिटी एंड गार्जियनशिप एक्ट. Next 193. In India, a decree of restitution of conjugal right can be executed by attachment of property, arrest of respondent, attachment of arrest of both, either attachment or by arrest and fine. So how an RCI can be executed by attachment of the property of the respondent? A is the answer. है कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? Order 21 Rule 32 में. C in the execution of decree for RCR में जो है we cannot arrest a person की अरेस्ट नहीं हो सकती. A इसका आंसर रहेगा. Next 194. Bigamous marriage under Hindu Marriage Act is void. B is the answer. Next 195. Punishment for violation of condition as to age as provided under section 5(3) of the Hindu Marriage Act has been provided under section कहाँ पर है? 18A में दी गई है. 3 की, और 4 की कहाँ पर है? 4 एंड 5 की दी गई है 18B में। ऑलराइट, 17 क्या है? पनिशमेंट फॉर बायोगैमी लिखा हुआ है एज पर IPC। नेक्स्ट 96, हनुमान प्रसाद वर्सेस मास्टर बाबूजी मुमराज, इट वाज ऑन गार्जियनशिप, B is the answer. Next question number 190, B is the answer. Next question number 197, a Hindu husband converting to Islam and marrying again will be guilty of bigamy. Case था सरला मुदगल versus Union of India, C is the answer. Next 198, under Hindu law, where husband creates a condition in which the wife is compelled to leave the conjugal home and live separately, the husband may sue for divorce. Wife will be held guilty for desertion. No. Marriage is irretrievably broke down. No. Husband is guilty of constructive desertion. D is the answer. And section 9 RCR में वहीं पर desertion की बात की गई है. Next 199, an illegitimate minor child under section 20 Hindu Adoption Maintenance Act entitled to claim maintenance during his minority from father, mother, both A and B. ये दिया गया subsection 2 में. Next 200, a Hindu father-in-law is bound to maintain widow daughter-in-law if she is having no property or income, she is unable to maintain out of estate of husband, she cannot obtain maintenance from children. D, all of the above. और ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया? मेंशन किया गया सेक्शन 19 ऑफ हिंदू अडॉप्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस एक्ट में ही. सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर हमने उत्तराखंड जुडिशरी का 2013 का पेपर है पूरा डिस्कस कर लिया है. अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कुछ सजेशंस और कोई एडवाइस हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं. वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक. एंड फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू लाइक द एफर्ट्स, काइंडली गिव अ सुपर थैंक्स. मिनिमम स्टार्स फॉर 20. एंड अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, इसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. एंड व्हाइल सब्सक्राइबिंग, डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. So friends, thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.